Welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the various job opportunities available in one of the multinational logistic and supply chain management company. Friends, the job opportunities available for the freshers as well as the experienced professionals, and all the engineering branches, graduates, diploma holder, holders are eligible for the various job opportunity. So friend, please watch the video complete to know regarding the various job openings and what are the job eligibility. So friend, here you can see we are at the official page of the Musk company. And friend, Musk is a multinational logistic and supply chain management company, and they are involved in the various businesses. So here you can see we are at the official career page of the Musk company, and friend, you can see in the top various types of filters are given. So here you can see we have selected the country as India and the region as Asia. So you can see the various job opportunities which is listed below for the India location. So friend, here you can see multiple job openings are given. You can see the job openings here, like analyst is given, then you can see team manager. In the top you can see data is also mentioned, senior specialist analyst job. Then you can see process engineering manager, finance planning and analyst, business analyst, cyber security engineer. Then you can see process expert. So various job opportunities are given, and you need to check. So friend, we are going to check the some of the job opportunity. So let's check the first job opportunity, that is a category buyer. So friend, this job is posted 7 days ago, and it is a full-time job opportunity, and it is for the Mumbai location. So here you can see key responsibilities are mentioned, like you will have to end the responsibility, accountability, and handling entire demand to delivery process of mask line vessels. Then running the RFQ, that is a request for quotation process with non-contracted supplier for optimal deliveries. You have to follow procure to process for timely payments to all vendors and handle invoice with the discrepancies. Then you have to perform stakeholder management with a technical organization through daily interaction and addressing their concerns in a timely manner. You have to ensure optimum utilization of vessel budgets. Then you will be involved in the key negotiation and support performance management tasks and the demand forecasting and volume allocation basis. Follow the 4R principle, that is the right price, right place, right time, and right quantity. So you can see here you have to always follow the Musk carbon neutral initiative to minimize the carbon emission in our supply chain, and work closely with master data team to optimize the backend in data quality. So friend, you can check these various job descriptions are given. How you can apply, we will discuss at the end of the video. So let's check the second job opportunity, that is a process expert. And friend, it is a full-time job opportunity for Chennai location. So you can see it is a posted yesterday, and you can see they are in the roles are given, that is a has a responsibility for timely and accurate updating and entering the data as per process. Then you have to report task in the efficient manner to achieve the high customer satisfaction and support timely and vendor process payment. And you should be a process expert and have some knowledge of the operations. So here you can see the third job opportunity, which is a analyst, and it is posted yesterday, and you can see it is for the Chennai location. And friend, here you can see support peers with technical or process related challenges during the process execution, and you have to execute according to SLA. There and has detailed understanding of process and SOPs and other two controls, and you have idea for the improvements, and you have to inform supervisor about any process issue. So these are the some requirement is given, friend. So friend, before going to check the next job opportunity, that is a business analyst for, and it is for the work from home. Sorry, it is for business analyst for the WFM segment. So friend, before going to check this job opportunity, please subscribe Mechanical Stream to receive the notification of our latest video. And friend, also please like and share this video with your friends so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream so that you can receive the job notification earlier, and you can apply for the jobs before the job application end or job opening expire. So let's check the business analyst job. So friend, it is for the Navi Mumbai location, and it is a full time job opportunity. So here you can see roles are given, like you have to perform continual analysis of current performance by creating WFM model for all teams, then conduct real time forecasting to make necessary adjustment in staffing plans, and coordinate with the operation team to achieve the level goals. You have to provide real time monitoring via available tools. Then you have to manage the techniques to make an intraday adjustment in an effort to maximize resource efficiency. Then you can see you have to produce volume forecast on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis for multi-site operation. and generate and evaluate staffing schedules and ensure data updates into the scheduling. You have to generate short and long term staffing models and provide recommendation, then compare results to be forecast and identify the opportunity for the improvement. And you should also involve in the weekly performance report to leadership, including adherence reports. So friend, these are some requirement is given. So for applying any job opportunity, you can see the on the top apply now button is given. So friend, once you click, then this type of page will come. Then you can see here three options are given: autofill with resume, then apply manually. Then if you have applied previously, then you can see you can use my last application, or if you are having a LinkedIn ID, then you can directly apply. So currently we are selecting the autofill with resume. So once you click friend, then this type of page will come, and here you can see the application is divided into 7 stages. The first is you have to upload your resume, and you have to click on this next button. So we'll be redirected to the stage 2, that is you have to provide your information, and after that you have to provide the your experience related details in the stage 3. And stage 4 and stage 5 you have to provide the some of the answer of their questions, and after that you have to accept the terms and condition, and at the end you have to review your job application and submit it. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job opportunity, or if you want us give us any suggestion so that we can improve more, so friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.